We're now going to install the SUB Slim. To make things easier for this process to show it on the camera, we're actually going to remove one side of the cabinet. It'll just make it so you can see it better. Now with the side of the cabinet removed, we can start marking out for the runners. Now that we have all the measurements done, we can now just mark out for the positions for the screws through the runners. These are the screws we're going to use to install each runner. So now with the runners lined up against the markings that we've already done, put the screws in. So third hole is your first marking, second from last hole is your second marking. Now that the runners are installed into the cabinet, we're at the point where we can start fitting the system to the door. I'll show you how that's done. Measure out for your door overlay, and then you've got the dimensions so you can work out your positions for the fixings, which will fix the system to the door. Once you've got your measurements marked out, you can then mark them ready for the screws. So we have 4 markings, and that's them all ready. These are the 4 screws we're going to use to fix the system to the door. Now with the system lined up on the door, we can put in the screws. We're now at the position where we can fit the system into the cabinet. To fit the system, you guide it onto the top of the runners, slide it down, and then click it into place. So on the install, you're looking for the grey clip to slide under the silver hook. Just to make sure you do have the system clicked onto the runners correctly, put your finger under the runner there, your thumb against the door, and squeeze and you'll hear it click. Now we've got the SUB Slim installed, I'll show you how to do the adjustments. On the underside of each tray, you have the 5 screws for your adjustments. I'll show you on this top tray. So that center screw there, that is for your height adjustment. These 2 screws on the underside of the tray, they're for your tilt and also your rotation, and then these 2 screws are for your lateral movement. Perfect.